So what you want to do to get started on this drawing is cut your paper into the same aspect ratio, that is the length by width ratio of your photo, or you could also crop your photo to the same aspect ratio as your paper. Either way, they have to be the same in the end, so that once you get a border on your paper, you won't have different size borders. The next step is to grid your photo. All it takes is printing out the photo and then taking a ruler and gridding it up into even spaces. You probably want to do squares for best results. So after that step, you want to put the lines from the photo onto the paper so that they are matching. And then you can start drawing.
I didn't film the beginning of the drawing, but I filmed from this point forward, so enjoy.
For the drawing part, you can use any types of marks that you want to do. I did mine with pen, but you can also do yours with marker or pencil, charcoal, whatever you think is best. You probably want to do it in random order, not sequentially, because honestly it's just cooler looking when you have a big mix of filled squares and unfilled squares and the image starts to appear. As you can see with mine, the image is starting to appear and it's becoming clearer and clearer the more I draw. You probably don't want to go into super detail on everyone because there are a lot of squares to fill in, but it's up to you. So when you're drawing into the squares, you want to leave enough room on the edges of the squares so that you will get the white grid at the very end. And it can be very small and still noticeable, just keeping that in mind. So yeah, that's it. Not much to it. Just get your paper, ruler, pencil, pen, whatever you're gonna use, and get started.